Here we are on page 10, answers to number 27 through 32. Start here with number 27. 7 over 5 plus the square root of 2. Now, if we just times by 5 plus the square root of 2 here on the bottom, like we did before when we were rationalizing denominators, notice that we now have binomials that we have to FOIL or multiply everything, and we get 25 plus 5 squared is 2 plus 5 squared is 2, that's 10 squared is 2, plus 4, square root of 4, which is 2 on the bottom. Well, that's not going to do anything. So we've got to do that 5 minus the square root of 2, this conjugate on top and bottom. So we get 7 times 5 minus the square root of 2 all over 5 times 5 is 25 plus 5 square roots of 2 minus 5 square roots of 2. The middle terms go away. That's what's so cool about the conjugate. And minus square root of 2 times square root of 2 is 2. That gives us 7 times 5 minus the square root of 2. Or we could jump that in and say 35 minus 7 square roots of 2 over 23. Good. Number 28. Multiply by the conjugate on top and bottom. That's 7 plus the square root of 5. 7 plus the square root of 5. And we get 3 times 7 plus the square root of 5. All over 49 minus 5. This is that difference of squares that's so cool there. So that's, we could distribute that out. 21 plus 3 square roots of 5 all over 44. Number 29. 6 over 2 plus 5 square roots is 7. So we're going to go 2 minus 5 square roots is 7. Again, using that conjugate that's so handy. So we get 6 times 2 minus 5 square roots is 7. All over. That's 4 minus 5 times 5 is 25 times square root of 7 times square root of 7 is 7. So this is going to be 6. 2 minus 5 square roots is 7. All over 4 minus 175. That's negative 171. Number 30. 4 times, let me see, we're going to times by 4 plus the square root of 13 on top and bottom. We get 4 times 4 plus the square root of 13 all over. 4 times 4 is 16 minus square root of 13 times square root of 13 is 13. So that's 4 parentheses 4 plus the square root of 13 all over 13. Or we could have written that as 16 plus 4 square roots of 13 there. Number 31. We're going to times by 5 minus the square root of 6 over 5 minus the square root of 6. And let's see what we get there. 5 over, times 5 minus the square root of 6. 5, 25 minus 6. So 25 minus 5 square roots of 6 over 19. And 32. 2 times, we're going to times top and bottom by 3 plus 6 square roots of 5. 3 plus 6 square roots of 5. And we get 2 times 3 plus 6 square roots of 5 all over 9 minus 6 times 6 is 36 times 5 is 180. So we have 6 plus 12 square roots of 5 over negative 171. Now, we've got to double check here. There may be some simplification that can happen on some of these. Most of these are okay. 23 doesn't simplify. Here you could factor a 3 out. Nothing cancels here. But here, this has a 6. This 171, this is 3 times 57. So let me write this out as we simplify these. This is 3 times 57. And this is 3 times 2. So that 3 could cancel. And we actually get 4 minus 10 square roots of 7 over 57. Same thing happens down here. You could factor a 6 out of the top, or just a 3, since that's what's going to be canceling. That's 2 plus 4 square roots of 5, and that one is 3 times 57. Forgot that minus sign up there. So the 3's can cancel, and we're left with 2 plus 4 square roots of 5 over negative 57.